Alright, hello again. Here we go. A little more Ukemi work from the ground. Our first video we discussed the frog, okay, which is basically from the side, and here or here, making that, coming up, and rolling. Okay? And feet go backwards. The next step that you want to take in this is we're going to go a little bit up higher in height. So how we do that is basically going to be in a hummy. Okay? So this way. So see how it is. Okay? From that hummy, again, you're going to take that formation of like you were going through the tunnel with the frog, but this time you're going to stay here. The elbow is going to face that way, like the knee. The thumb is going to go in towards the arch. And you're going to start here. This makes a wheel, okay? You're also going to look back and down like that, because you want to see where you got thrown from and where you're going. You're just going to feel your way through. Keeping my eyes there. My head never touching the ground. But if you notice, this is just like the frog. But this is shooting through. The shoulder's not hitting the ground. It's the scapula. So it's not this part now, it's this part. That's why the frog with a drill was more of a balanced drill. Okay? This is shooting through, going through that way. Okay? So, from the forward perspective, here. I like to meet the ground. Feel my way through. Stay connected. This is connected, this is connected, that's connected, this is connected. Knee goes down, shoots through. I start to turn, go down to the ground, unfurl, and come up. Okay? Like that. So, of course you do that on both sides. So again, nice tripod, nice arches. Yeah. Because there is no difference between this groundwork and you'll see the following videos from standing. Okay? There's one thing I like to do before we go to standing, and that's called the bear. Okay? We'll do that in the next video. But here it is. You're here like this, over, continues to shoot through, goes over, and off you go. Come back the other way. Okay? So that's the next level. Okay? We'll move on next to the bear. Enjoy.